Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to import a photo to the Photos application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application as well as an image. We will be importing into the application. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application, Photos, search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, what we will do is now go to a new desktop. Let's take a screenshot. Command Shift and 3. There we have it on the desktop. Now let's go back to the Photos application. Let's go to File. Let's now go to Import. For us to import an image of that screenshot that we created a moment ago. Click on this. Now go to Import. And there we have it. The photo has now been imported into the Photos application. So we can now go back one. Quit Photos. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.